History through the decades, 1950 to 2000. Picture it, no YouTube, no tablets, no mobile phones, just records, radios and roller skates. What was life like for children in the past? Let's travel through time from the 1950s to the 1990s and discover how life in Britain changed across the decades. First off, the 1950s. The war was over, but Britain was rebuilding. Rationing had ended, but sweets were only just back on the shelves. The Festival of Britain brought cheer. Queen Elizabeth II was crowned and people watched on black and white TVs. Rock and roll filled the air. Elvis Presley and Bill Haley got everyone dancing. And clothes? They were smart. Dresses with petticoats and men in suits or new blue jeans. Ready for the next stop on our time travel adventure? Next, the swinging 60s. Young people wanted fun, colour and music. In 1966, England won the World Cup. What a moment. Then millions watched the first moon landing in 1969. The Beatles ruled the charts and the first Doctor Who appeared on TV. Fashion turned bold. Short skirts, bright patterns and cool styles that shouted we're different. Let's jump forward another 10 years. The 1970s brought big changes. Sometimes the electricity even went off during strikes for better pay and conditions. People still celebrated, with events like the Queen's Silver Jubilee in 1977. Music was full of energy, with ABBA's pop hits and Bob Marley's reggae beats filling the air. Flares, tie-dye and platform shoes ruled fashion. Next came the 1980s, a decade of bright fashion and continued change. The miners went on strike for better pay. Britain got its first female Prime Minister, Margaret Thatcher, and Prince Charles married Lady Diana Spencer in a royal wedding watched around the world. Games like Pac-Man and the Rubik's Cube became massive hits. The charts were full of Queen, Wham and Duran Duran. Leg warmers, neon colours and big hair ruled the decade. Finally, the 1990s, the age of technology. Computers and mobile phones appeared in homes. The World Wide Web changed everything. The Spice Girls shouted girl power and Britpop bands like Oasis and Blur rocked Britain. Jeans got baggier and everyone had a Tamagotchi to feed. Wow, we've seen so many changes, from black and white TVs to the first computers. Let's see what you remember. Let's do a short quiz to see what you remember. In which decade was Queen Elizabeth II's coronation? 1950s, 1960s or 1970s? Yes, it was 1950s. When did the Rubik's Cube go on sale? 1960s, 1980s or 1990s? Well done! 1980s is the correct answer. When did the Beatles cause Beatlemania? 1950s, 1960s or 1970s? Super! Beatlemania hit in the 1960s. The Spice Girls were a popular band in which decade? 1970s, 1980s or 1990s? That's right, 1990s was their decade. When was it the fashion to wear flares and platform shoes? 1960s, 1970s or 1980s? Fantastic! That was the 1970s. How did you do? And which decade would you most like to live in and why? From black and white TVs to the internet age, life in Britain changed so much in just 50 years. Which decade do you think looked the most fun? The rocking 50s, the swinging 60s, the disco 70s, the neon 80s or the tacky 90s? Thanks for watching and listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun facts and learning with us.